Hello everyone. Here is a science activity for my class TLEE 532 with Dr. Sheldon Woods. The small experiment will show you how the fire uses oxygen in the air to continue burning, and once you take away the oxygen in the air, the fire will stop burning. We basically need very few things to do this experiment. We need a matchbox, we need a candle. I'm also using a small tea light and also using a glass jar which is big enough to cover the tea light. So what we are going to do is we are going to light up the candle, and so the flames are using the oxygen in the air, and the fire is, now you see the candle is lit up. And now to show how the fire is using the oxygen that is in the air, and it kind of glows and becomes bigger. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take away the oxygen. First I'm going to use the big candle to show this, and it's lighting up a little bit, and now I'm going to cover this slowly, and basically this action is taking away the oxygen from the fire. And here you see a lot of smoke, but the fire is gone. Basically we took away the oxygen from the air, and now I have the tea light, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to put it a little higher so you can see it, and then this is visible very clearly. So slowly now the flame is becoming smaller and smaller, and there is less and less of oxygen inside, and it still is using a little bit of the oxygen available inside the bottle, and now it is gone. So this experiment basically shows that fire needs oxygen, and it's a chemical reaction that creates light and heat from oxygen. So basically this is a small science experiment to show that. Thank you for watching.